We have all heard the myth that swimming right after eating can cause cramps or even lead to drowning. But is there any truth to this? The short answer is no. Swimming after eating does not increase your risk of cramps or drowning. In fact, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. The myth probably started as a cautionary tale told by parents to keep the kids from getting back into the water too soon after a meal. However, there is no scientific evidence to support this belief. While it's true that digestion does require a certain amount of blood flow to the stomach and intestine, the body is well equipped to handle this. The amount of blood needed for digestion is relatively small compared to the body's total blood volume. Cramps while swimming are usually caused by dehydration, overexertion, or improper breathing. Eating a light meal before swimming can actually provide the necessary energy for a good workout. To ensure a safe and enjoyable swim, it's important to follow a few basic guidelines. First, never swim alone and always have a buddy with you. Second, always swim in a supervised area with a lifeguard on duty. Third, if you are feeling weak or dizzy, get out of water immediately. In conclusion, there is no evidence to support the myth that you shouldn't swim after eating. So go ahead, enjoy your meal, and jump back into the water for a refreshing swim.